Whole Blends Repairing Leave-In Miracle Neck Honey Treasure Treatment provides 10 benefits in one treatment and is blended with honey to rebolish, nourish, and repair. It moistens, detangles, repairs, and prevents split ends, tames the frizz, straightens hair, restores softness, nourishes, protects against heat, reduces breakage, and improves manageability, and it also smells great too. It's simple to use. Just squirt about 2 squirts, mix it in your hands, and then massage it into your hair. After massaging it into your hair, all you have to do is brush it out and it's ready to style.